Hello, have you ever had any interest in a tiny home or possibly even living off grid? Well, I have both for you right here in my brand new listing. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate out of Grangeville, Idaho, and come take a look at my brand new listing. Come on in. This is the brand new mudroom that they've built on. Really gives a nice spot to get in, have some wood storage, get out of the weather. Take your shoes off. Now we're going to walk into the main living area. This is built onto the original tiny home trailer on the property here. This is a nice little living room, nice little wood burning fireplace, and believe me, this thing keeps this house plenty warm. We're going to walk in real quick into the master bedroom. Plenty big for a queen size bed, as you can see. Has a couple windows, brings in a lot of natural light. But this is the thing about this property, even though it's off-grid, this is the nicest off-grid system I have ever seen. You do not really have to skimp on living. You see, you got a washer and dryer, which is almost unheard of in an off-grid house. We're gonna walk up the 3 steps here into the main living area. This is the kitchen. You got a full-size refrigerator, full-size oven. There's a desktop dishwasher right there. Dining table. Really is set up very nice. Lots and lots of cabinets here in this kitchen. We're going to turn into the main living area. Plenty of room for a nice couch. They have a TV mounted on the wall here and an electric fireplace. That's right. They have enough electricity here that they can run that. Really is a very, very nice electrical system. We're going to walk down here to the end of the hall. We have a bathroom right here. Full tub, shower, sink, and toilet. I missed turning on the light there, but we're going to walk in there and click it on. That's another thing. This is one of the bedrooms. One of the 2. I've sold a few off-grid houses and the owners are like, don't turn on lights, don't turn on lights. The owner here is like, turn every light on in the house. So just goes to show you that they're producing plenty of electricity here. Now we're going to walk right up here to the loft area. This could be used as a bedroom. Right now you can see it's being used as a kind of a play area. And then around the corner, they are doing a lot of food storage, which they also have a building outside that they have using with some food storage. And so there's plenty of storage around this. But as you can see, it's just a really nice, cozy house. Has everything you need, just on a smaller scale. Now I want to take you outside and show you a little bit of the electrical system and how it's working. All right, you may have noticed, just like here, he's still working on some of the siding, some of the trim inside the house, a little bit of paint, but he is continuously working on this. And so when you come out to see the property, it's going to be even more complete than it is now. Right there, we've got one of the storage buildings here on the property. They got a freezer in there and some food storage. Really nice dog kennel set up over here, wood storage. Great little property right here. Now we're going to come over here and show you inside here real quick. And they do use this as a bit of a storage, so there's a little bit of stuff in here, but we're going to show you the power conversion system. Again, folks, I'm telling you, I've seen a lot of these over the years, and this one is by far the simplest running system I've seen. If you have zero experience with living off grid, I think you can come in here and within 15 minutes pretty well know exactly how this system works and have 100% confidence in being able to live here. We also have a big water storage tank here. The well here is a great producing well, but they did put in some more water storage, and this building's all insulated with some foam, so it gives you great, it gives the batteries the ability to not have that real cold temperature and real hot temperature in the summer. There's also a Cummins generator here as an absolute fail-safe. Another thing we wanted to mention, there's a 500-gallon propane tank here on the property. It takes him over 2 years to go through that 500 gallons of propane. That's how efficient this house is. All right, this is the final thing I wanted to show you on here, although there are other great aspects of this property, but you're gonna have to come out here and see them for yourself. But this is a view out of the Camas Prairie. I got Cottonwood Butte back there behind me. Beautiful view. You're tucked away. There's one house that you can see from this property and they can see you, but we have a paved road that's county maintained to access this property, and which, if you know anything about Idaho County, that is a luxury. So if you want to come out and do this property, please give me a call. I want you to know I don't pay Zillow and I don't pay Realtor.com, so that when you push that button, you come to me. You're going to go to some agent who's paying money to get your name. So if you want somebody that knows what they're doing here on this property, please give me a call. And also, if you appreciated this video and are looking for real estate here in North Central Idaho, please subscribe to the channel. I'm the only broker in the area that does videos like this. And so if you want to see the best properties and the best marketing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now.